The National Cattlemen's Beef Association knows how important it is that producers stay abreast of the latest production and management techniques to help them through the daily challenges of our industry. Here to discuss these efforts is Michaela Clowser. She's Director of Producer Education for NCBA. Michaela, the popular Stockmanship and Stewardship program is back once again. What should producers expect from these events?
Yeah, Kevin, we're really excited about this 2024 tour of the Stockmanship and Stewardship programs. And, what's so exciting about these events is that the foundation of the content are those BQA principles and protocols. We work with industry experts and those subject matter experts for all sectors of the industry to bring the latest and greatest information to these events. And, what's super unique about them is that they're regionally focused. So, we really encourage producers to network with their fellow producer. And, the biggest highlight is always those live cattle handling demonstrations with Kurt Pate and Ron Gill. They do a fantastic job.
They are outstanding, I promise you. And this year you have a new sponsor, I understand. Tell us a little more about that.
Yes, we're really excited to partner with Neogen this year. They're an excellent company. They focus on cattle health, on genomics as well. So, we're really excited and have really enjoyed working with this group. And, it's going to be a great couple of years.
Now, there's also a great way to get reimbursed for this program through the Ranchers Resilience Grant. Is that right?
Yes. So the Rancher Resilience Grant is a program that provides funding for producers to attend these educational events. So to learn more about that, you can head to ncba.org, fill out a really short form, do some of the USRSB modules, and then you'll be good to go. And we look forward to seeing producers there.
Outstanding. One last question. Why is producer education such an important emphasis for NCBA?
Producer education is the cornerstone of NCBA and what we do. We every single day we work to serve the producer, and with that, we just strive to continue to provide the latest and greatest information for the producer, and that's certainly a top priority.
They're great programs. Thank you so much for coming to the show.
Thank you, Kevin.
NCBA's Stockmanship and Stewardship events offer a unique and valuable educational experience for producers of all skill levels. If you'd like to attend one of these sessions, just visit stockmanshipandstewardship.org for details on this year's dates and locations. And for more information on how to apply for the Ranchers Resilience Grant that Michaela mentioned, just go to the website ncba.org and click on the Producers tab.